Mag-party tayo dito guys sa Hotel Onikoube guys. Mag-mukbang tayo sa hotel room guys. Kain tayo ng masarap na cake na surprise ni hubby for me. Look. Super ganda din ng room at super sarap yung cake. And look guys. Super peaceful and super relaxing. Family quality time din. Gift din ng anak ko to guys kasi school vacation niya. Relaxation.
Ayan guys, surprise na naman ako ni Papi. May cake na naman for me. Thank you my loves. At buksan na natin to guys, kung ano to guys. Wow. Excited ako makita. Wow. Super cute. Sobrang ganda naman. Super beautiful cute. Wow, thank you, hubby. Wow, hubby surprise ko na naman, guys. Wow, thank you so much, Papi. Wow. Timing, guys. May ano dito, may set ng coffee. Thank you, my love. So sweet. And dahil nasa hot spa pa sila guys, ako muna.
And look what amazing beautiful view from my room while eating the sweetest tooth, the strawberry cake guys. Super yummy. Thank you hubby. Super beautiful cake. Wow, I love it. Nagulat talaga ako guys. Wow. Super sarap ng feeling guys. So guys, happy akong may share sa inyo guys. The beautiful mountain with the snow pack. The ski view. Wow. And look, super mabango yung cake guys. Super delicious. Nakakaduling sa sobrang sarap. Thank you my loves. Ang sarap kasi guys. Then waiting sa mga boys ko at kakain kami snacks after nagats pa. And look, before kainin guys, picture moment. Super nakaka-amaze. Ang cute. And look my son. He enjoy the yummy cake with a beautiful view like a mother. Look guys, let's eat. Mukbang tayo guys ng cake. Everyday naman talaga guys. Buyag. Sobrang sarap talaga guys. Wow. Then lalong nasarap with a beautiful view. Ang gaganda sa mga kapaligiran guys. So, I'm enjoy eating din. Sobrang sarap. Halina kayo guys, kain tayo. Sana malapit lang tayo, no? Look the beautiful view. Happy akong na-share sa inyo talaga guys. Thank you so much din sa inyo guys. Always, nandyan kayo lagi. Thank you so much mga friendship. Thank you everyone and God bless us all. And still ingat pa rin tayo guys sa panahon ngayon. Huwag kalimutan magmask at saka mag-alcohol. Ano guys, hindi nakakasawa yung view. Sobrang ganda talaga guys. Unlock. Diyan na naman ako nag-trip. Ayun. With model. Pagbigyan niya na guys. Happy lang. Na-surprise ako ni Habi naman dito guys. Pasalamat lang ni Habi to me. Kasi sobrang busy ko rin sa hanap buhay namin. Thank you Lord sa blessing. Mamimigay din tayo ng blessing someday guys. Soon. Pagbigyan tayo ng marami pang blessing. Just sharing the blessing with guys ni Edna Vlog sa mga pasabog soon. Thank you so much everyone and God bless us all. Love you guys. Ingat.